Brown, downtown Atlanta, Georgia. Hey, Bobby Brown, downtown Atlanta. Boy, you got that Topeka Mall down. You got Georgia on hold. You got them all disconnected. You got 86-0 on hold. You got Connecticut on disconnected. Somebody keyed up and said, Fireball, looky there. Fireball, looky there. Fireball, looky there. That might have been Uncle Sonny. Hey, man, you better watch yourself. Hey, Bobby Brown, you better watch yourself. Brown, Superman, come out there and cut your Topeka radio off. You in the background roll. Take her tombstone. He might be throwing you in the under the bus into the phone booth. The caretaker too said he was going to get up on out of there, but man, you got some audio coming up in my radio. Hey, Bobby Brown, Bobby Brown, Bobby Brown.